Okay, so for 15, what we're doing is we're comparing here. We're saying this is what we think the answer is, but we need to check to see that these signs were in the right place. Okay, so when we multiplied together, it looked like this, and um, we're going to compare it with what we originally had in step one once we rewrote it into standard form, and that is this. We're good to go. Those are exactly the same, and that means that we're done. Okay. Um, so this is actually in black what the actual answer is. Now, if we had the sign switched, like if we'd gotten to the end and we'd found that it said the original had said negative there, we say, uh-oh, we don't have the right sign. We got a positive number and we shouldn't have. We should have gotten a negative number. Okay, if that was what had happened when we compared these two, then we would say, okay, we got to swap these two signs, okay? And we will make this one be negative and this one be positive. Let's scribble those out. That's not what it is anymore. That's not what it is, right? Because we had gotten it backwards, okay? And now if we were to check it, we would say, okay, if I were to multiply these through, foiling them, we would get negative, because that's a negative 14x, and a positive 15x, that would be a positive 1x. And when multiplied by that, it would be a negative 2x, which would have been what we needed. I say all of that um, to say that if you get to this end point, this step here where you're trying to compare the signs, make sure that the signs are in the right position, and you find that you've got opposite of what you need, like this was negative and when you put it back together, it was positive, you just switch the signs, okay? But the fact is, we did have it right. Oops. We did have it right, and the signs were in the right place, um, and this was actually a positive down below, just like we needed it to be, okay? So always just check what your original was from step one with what you got from step 10 and make sure that that sign's the same. The other option is that it's not really the same at all, in which case you made a mistake. Okay, this last note here just says, is it not really the same at all? Like if you compare these and just this middle term sign is the same, you can just switch those signs in the binomials and you'll be good. But if it's more than that, if there's something's just off, it could just be that you just made an error somewhere and you've got to rework the problem. Sometimes finding your error is possible, but sometimes it's just easier to go back and start again. You can look through your work if you kept good organization of it. Now, on to the next step, because this is actually an equation equal to 0, so you're going to see what happens when that's the case in the next step.